How to change background color of Instagram note. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. With Instagram's latest update, you can now customize the background color of your notes. Without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, make sure Instagram is updated to the latest version on your device. If you are not sure on how to do that, then check out my video on updating Instagram. The video link is available in the card section, pinned comment and description below. Once you are on the latest version, open the Instagram app. Now, tap the chat icon at the top. Then, tap on your note to create a new note. Type any text that you want to include. You can also create a music note, prompt note or photo video note. But please make sure that there is some text or content in the bubble. Only then you will be able to change its color. For example, I will write colored note. Now, to change the color of bubble, long press on it. This will take you to the bubble editor screen. At the bottom, you will see various color options. You can even swipe right to explore more colors. Choose the one you like, then tap on the apply button. As you can see, your note now has a colored background. Finally, tap the share button and there you have it. You have successfully learned how to change the background color of your Instagram note. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.